Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smartyurl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smartyurl.it/pass. This video channel is at smartyurl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smartyurl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smartyurl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam FM and financial mathematics. Anderson Bank offers a 5-year loan. It is repaid with a single payment of principal and interest at time 5. Anderson wants to receive an annual rate of 5% compounded continuously to reflect deferred compensation. For this loan, the percentage of borrowers that will default is 0.7%. For the loans where there are no defaults, Anderson Bank will be able to recover 30%. For the loans where there are defaults, Anderson Bank will be able to recover 30% of the amount owed after 5 years. Note that the recovery is at the end. Let delta be the credit spread calculated as an annual rate compounded continuously that Anderson Bank needs to charge. Calculate 1000 delta. And one more comment. On this recovery after 5 years, it says Anderson Bank will be able to recover 30% of the amount owed after 5 years. Not the amount of the loan, but the total loan with accumulation, total amount owed after 5 years. And here's the solution. While Anderson wants to receive 5% continuously compounded, the actual rate it charges will be 0.05 plus delta, so 5% plus the spread of delta. Assume the amount of the loan is $1. The expected amount Anderson Bank will receive with consideration for the probability of default is, on one hand, it's just 5% continuously compounded after 5 years, $1 accumulated. That's the right-hand side here. But for the loans that don't default, it will be 5% plus the spread of delta accumulated over 5 years. On $1, that's the amount at the end. And it happens with the probability 1 minus 0.07. And I know, it's a question on probability on exam FM, but it is. Plus, with this probability, 0.007, 30% of the amount nominally owed at the end will be recovered. That's the amount nominally owed after 5 years on a loan of $1. The same amount is here. So if there is a default, they'll get 30% of what's supposed to be paid versus what is paid when there is no default. Okay, well, we multiply things out. This becomes 0.993 e to the 5 times 0.05 times e to the 5 delta. This expression is rewritten as that, and the same way this is 0.0021 times e to the 5 times 0.05 times e to the 5 delta equals e to the 5 times 0.05. So divide both sides by e to the 5 times 0.05. Then you have e to the 5 delta multiplied by two numbers, add them up, and you get 0.9951. And then solve this for delta, and delta is equal to the natural logarithm of 1 over 0.9951 to the power 1/5. That's negative 1/5 times natural logarithm of 0.995. That's approximately 0.00098240889, and 1,000 times that is approximately 0.98241, and that's answer D. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.